I am going to be sharing two things that I did on my second YouTube channel that changed everything. But before I go deep into the discussion for today, if you are new here, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates coming your way, like very soon. So the thing is, the second channel is not even up to 2 weeks and the growth is massive to the glory of God. It's so surprising and it is the Lord's doing. God did it. So I have decided to come up here to share two most important things that I've discovered that helped me to grow massively on my second channel. To be honest with you, the purpose of this video is not for me to come out here and show you the channel. It is for me to come and share the two things that you can, do, the two things that changed everything on my channel, and you can also do the same. If it resonates with you, you can do the same. And the thing is, even the what I'm about to share is so common to our big YouTubers. They use this two key so much, like very much, and as a small creator we can do the same and continue to do the same. Imagine you seeing that one particular strategy, that's the right word. Maybe you are using this strategy and it's working. Now let me ask you, won't you continue to use the same strategy? Like, just let me know in the comments. Like, you are using something on your channel and it's working massively for you to the glory of God. Won't you continue to use that same strategy for that same growth? Now, without saying much and just beating around the bush, I don't want to beat around the bush, so let's get straight into the video. Let me show you and share with you what I did on my second YouTube channel. But first and foremost, I want you to know that this channel was created early, like, should I say, it's not even early this year. Like, this channel is not up to 2 weeks, guys. It's not up to 2 good weeks. So the first thing you need to know is your niche. Okay, your niche. Just focus on a niche. And it's not about just having a niche. Okay, this is what I want to focus on this channel. This is the purpose of this channel. No, it's more than that. It is more than that. It is more than knowing your niche. This is what I did that changed everything for me. I did not just focus on that niche, but I studied the niche. And about studying something is not, if we're talking about studying should be done consistently. I do it every single day. I study the niche. I make my own personal research, like what are these people searching for in this niche. And let me share with you, the second YouTube channel is all about faith-based content. Okay, so I just study that niche. What are people searching for? Like, what are those answers that people are looking for solutions to? I tell you, if you can just make a video that solves one problem, you have really done enough. You have really done enough. And I know that there are a lot of small creators out there that their engagement is so low. No engagement. Maybe because of there is no value. Maybe because of there is no impact. Why? Because of you don't study your niche. You don't go on a personal research. I know that you are watching a lot of creators' videos, learning. But aside from that, after doing that, you still need to go on a personal research. Search for what people are looking for on that your particular niche. Okay, so that's what I did. I don't do it before, even on this channel, no. So that's what I did differently on the other channel. Okay, that changed everything for me. That's one. And number two, consistency. All right. And how I was actually consistent on the other channel. I know some of you would be like, 2 channels. I'm even struggling on this one channel. I'm not even able to keep up. And you say I should try as much as I should just open a second channel. Like, you can do it. Okay, you can do it. Just use it as an experiment. Okay, and this year is already so early to start. You can start now. We're not even at the middle of the year, so a lot of things, God can bring a lot of changes to your channel. All right, so this, how was I consistent in juggling two channels? Like, I make sure I post videos. Even if you are not able to post a long form video on your other channel, just post shorts. Okay, make a post in your community. Make sure you just do something to make sure that that channel is active. All right, so the main purpose of this video is to give you those two things I did differently on my other channel that brought so much growth to it. The first one is what? Niche. Studying the niche and studying what people are searching for. Depending, I don't know your niche, okay, but you can go and do a personal research. I mean, what are people searching for on that niche? And 2 is be consistent. Don't leave your channel dormant. Okay, don't just leave your channel. YouTube does not want to know if there's a reason why you are not posting. Okay, your channel needs to be active. All right, and it's going to help the growth of your channel. So if this video has blessed you up to this moment, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates coming your way. You are watching Jesus Bride. Thank you for watching up to this very moment, and let me know in any area that this video has helped you. Let me know in the comments. God bless you. See you on our next video. Bye. So friends, I hope you can hear me very clearly, and I believe you have YouTube Studio app. Hope you have downloaded it. So let's set up your YouTube. I'm going to use my own to show us how to do this. So just click on your profile picture here. Then you click on this icon that looks like the icon beside my profile picture. Then you go straight up to description. Okay, you write your description. If you haven't done that, description is about, like, you just telling your viewers, that is your audience on YouTube, about the channel, like what's your channel all about. Like this one now, say this channel shares Christian faith-based content and YouTube growth tips for Christian creators who want to grow, monetize, and glorify God through content creation and many more. So you just write it, and then you now move to links and put all your links. Maybe if you have other social media platforms, you just look down below, you see add. Let me just click on this ad to show you. Then add, maybe it's your Facebook or your business page link. Then you just add, and click on done. I don't want to add any link, but I just want to show you. Click on done. Then when you are done adding all the links, then look above, you see save. Click on save. Then let's move to the next one. Then you see this home tab. You click on this home tab. Then you see it says show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. What's your home tab? Home tab is when you go to you open your YouTube channel. Like when you open your channel, the first thing you see is your home tab. You understand? That is the first thing you see. Then if the next one is for you, like this one is YouTube recommends your content based on viewers' interest. So maybe that's why YouTube have not been recommending your content. YouTube recommends short and also recommend long form content. So if this is off, this second one is off, for you section turned off, YouTube will not be able to recommend your content. YouTube will not be able to recommend your content if this section is off, so you just turn it on. Then when you turn it on, then YouTube will be able to recommend your content. I believe you understand what I'm saying right now. You can watch from the beginning, and just do as I do. All this setup is very important to help what our YouTube growth. You understand? Then let's move to the next one.